This is a Pitney Bowes FlowMaster RS with a ton of extra features. I'm going to talk about the machine here for a minute and give you some information on it, and then we have a little demo video that we'll have at the end from when it was set up in production a couple of weeks ago. This machine was in production. If you can see from the original photos, it was literally in an office environment, very well maintained. It has a GBR in-feed here with a large capacity in-feed accumulator folder. There is a lake image camera system set up for the entire lake image camera verification system set up for the entire unit. There's 4 cameras. We'll show you the different pieces as we go through. There's a camera right here, and then you have the folding unit here. This is the 6-station inserter. There is 5 standard friction feeders and 1 rotary feeder here in the middle. There's another camera down there. And then coming down here, there's a camera here. And after the inserter and the turnover section, there's another camera on the inkjet. So a couple of things to know about this thing. It was upgraded at some point. We don't have the exact information on it, but this integrated turnover setup is not standard for this year. Someone did a bunch of upgrades to this machine, that being one of them. It also has a newer upgraded conveyor. It has a speed sort conveyor with the pneumatics to sort out and offset your pieces for mail trays. The lake image camera system drive is down there on the floor. Over here, there's a Postmatic inline stamp fixer base and stamp affixer. That's only a couple years old. They added that on, I think it's 3 years old. They added that on in 2021 when they did all the other upgrades to it. There is a good amount of spare parts. They're all photographed. Manuals and everything are over here. More spare parts in that small cabinet. This filing cabinet here is full of spare parts. And then there's another cart over here with spare parts and whatnot. The bins are not included, neither is the table. We're just using that to lay it all out for you. We'll have it all boxed up on the pallet with all the other items. So again, it's a 6-station Pitney Bowes Bluecrest FlowMaster RS with a GBR in-feed, lake image camera system, upgraded turnover, inkjet, which I suppose I didn't mention yet. It does have an inkjet system with it as well. Looks like 8 lines, 2 sets of 4 heads. Postmatic inline stamp base, and bulk in-feed envelopes from the rear, and the speed sort delivery conveyor. Now we'll go ahead and show you the demo from when it was in production about 2 weeks ago.